back to my channel, The Beauty Bliss. My name is Aishwarya, and in today's video I'm going to share with you all this easy purple halo eye makeup look. And if you want to know how I got this look, you have to watch this video till end. And as you can see, this look is so pretty and beautiful and something unique that I've tried this time. If you want to create this same halo eye makeup look, you have to watch this video till end, because I have shown you each and every step to create this look along with the product and its details. The proper details of the product will be in the description box, so do check that out. So without wasting any time, let's get started with this tutorial. So first I'm going to directly jump into creating this purple halo eye look, and then afterwards I'm going to do my base. First I'm going to start applying this concealer. It's from Maybelline. It's the Age Rewind concealer on my eyelids. And then I'm going to blend this concealer with help of my fingers. So you get a nice base prep for the eye makeup. So for the eyeshadow, I'm going to use this eyeshadow from Mars, and the shade that I'm going to use at first is this light purple shade, and then afterwards this is going to be actually the transition shade, and afterwards I'm going to use this darker shade. So let's do it. So this light purple shade, I'm just going to apply it on my crease area like so. I'm slightly blending this on my crease. So now I'm going to take the darker purple shade, and how I'm going to apply it I'm going to show you right now. With this brush I'm going to take this dark purple shade, and I'm going to first place this shade just by dabbing on the outer V of my eyelids like so. I'm gently dabbing it on my eyelids. I'm not going to blend this shade, okay? And I will dab it until I get that required dark intensity of the color. Okay, then after doing that, I'm going to take the color and I'm going to start dabbing, doing that same process at the inner corner of my eyelids, just like so. Now I'm going to take this Pigment Play palette, and I'm going to select this shade from this palette, this one. The name of the shade is Dreamy Fields, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply this color on the center of my eyelids where I have not applied any color previously, and this is how I'm going to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this color with help of my fingers so that I get a proper pigmentation as I required for this eye look, and I'm going to just slightly dab it in the center where there was no color, like eyeshadow, where I have not applied eyeshadow and have left some space in between. Over there I have applied this color like this gently, and just slightly blending it into the previous eyeshadow, so that you can see that it is getting a little kind of different shading effect. And this is how I'm going to do, very gently and slowly with help of my fingers. And yeah, we are almost done with the eye look. Just make sure that there is no harsh line at the edges of these two eyeshadows. So for that we have to blend it like this lightly with the brush, so that it looks all together and blended. So now starting with base, I'm going to use this Mars Illuminating base, and the shade is 01 Golden Beam. So this actually adds a nice pretty glow to your face when you apply this product, and I'm just taking a little quantity of it on back of my palm, and I'm going to apply it on my entire face. After this, I'm going to use this Mars BB cream, and the shade that I'm using is, actually I don't know which shade I'm using right now. I'll definitely write down in the description box, so do check that out. And this is again how I'm going to take. I'm going to take it back of my palm, and first I'm going to apply in dots, and then I'm going to blend with the brush. Now for the concealer, I'm going to use again the same concealer which I have used at the start of this video, and this is the Maybelline Eyeshadow concealer. I'm going to conceal my under eye, area near my mouth, and some spots. Sorry. And then again I'm going to blend this concealer with the help of this brush. Now to set the base, I'm going to use the banana powder from Mars, and I'm going to apply it under my eyes and on those areas where I feel my skin gets oily. For my blush and highlighter, I'm going to use this contour and highlighter palette from Sugar, and the shade that I'm going to use, the palette name that the palette number that I'm going to use in this video is 02 Vivid Victory. And this is how the color of the blush and the highlighter looks like. Now I'm applying the highlighter. Now as you can see, I'm done with the base makeup. Coming back again to the eye makeup, and we're going to complete the remaining eye makeup. And for that, what I'm first going to do, I'm going to take the purple shade from this eyeshadow palette and the Dreamy Fields shade from the Pigment Play eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to apply in the same order on my lower lash line. On my lower lash line, and afterwards I'm going to complete my eye look with mascara and some eyeliner. So let's do this. So now I took the purple shade on this eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to apply it on my lower lash line. I'm not going to apply it on entirely on the lower lash line, only the half part of the lash line from one side and the half part of the lash line from the inner side, inner corner. So I'll start with here for the inner corner, and then wait. I'll just keep a space in center so that I can apply this shimmer shade in the center of this eyeshadow. And this is how it looks. And now I'm going to apply that shimmer shade on the center. Again, I'm going to take this shimmer shade on the same brush, and I'm going to apply it on my lash line. And yeah, this is how it looks. And yeah, this is how it looks. And here we are done with the eyeshadow part. Now let's complete the look with the mascara, and this is the mascara that I'm going to use today. It's from Mars. You can also apply eyelashes if you like, but that is the thing that I don't like to apply. That's so that I'm skipping that step. Applying these eyelashes on my upper lashes as well as on on my lower lashes. So I did a mistake. Before applying mascara, I should have applied eyeliner. So no worries. Now I'm going to apply this eyeliner from Lakme. This is my favorite. I'm going to create a wing eyeliner with this liner. And yes, there you go. Finally done with the liner part as well. Now we are left with lips, so let's go. So as for today, my eyeshadow, like my eye makeup, is quite dark, so I would like to go with a nude or lighter shade for my lips. And for my lips, I'm going to use this lipstick palette from Mars. As you can see, you get like many different lipstick shade. You can also mix and match through this palette, and yes, I'm going to use this today. So I'm just thinking which shade I should go for, and I think I will go for with a nude brown kind of shade with a little bit of pink color in it. So I think I'm going to mix these two shades, and then I'm going to apply on top of it with this pink shade. So first I mixed those two shades, and now I'm going to apply it on my lips. I'm loving how the color came out. I think I will not apply that pink shade after all, because this is looking just fine. I hope you guys really liked and enjoyed this video. If you do like this video, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, and also comment on this video if you're going to try this look, or if you have tried this look after watching my video. So yeah, I will know that you're really liking this video, and I get motivation to make more such videos in future. So yes, if you enjoy watching my beauty videos, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you will get update every time when I post a new video. So I'll see you next time in another video. Till then, bye, take care, and thanks for watching.